Welcome to Takeda's Thousand Oaks facility. Takeda is a patient-focused, values-based, R&D-driven biopharmaceutical company, serving patients in over 80 countries. Our passion for producing life-transforming treatments for patients is deeply rooted in over 240 years of distinguished history in Japan. It is sustained through the values we live every day: integrity, fairness, honesty, and perseverance. We manufacture products that aim to improve the quality of life for patients with rare and genetic diseases, such as bleeding and lysosomal storage disorders.
We are proud of our more than 30 years of manufacturing experience at Thousand Oaks. The motto of our site, "Every vial has a name," means putting the patients at the center of everything we do. Our diverse and inclusive workforce of over 500 employees is dedicated to supplying treatments to patients in need 24/7.
Everything starts with the question, how can we do more for our patients? Investing in new technologies strengthens our ability to deliver high quality and safe products. Fully automatic robotic filling line supports a faster manufacturing process and minimizes the potential for human errors. Virtual reality is now standard in clean rooms, enabling employees to learn in a safe-to-fail environment.
We recognize that human health and planetary health are inextricably linked. Therefore, we take responsibility for the impact our business has on the environment. Takeda is committed to achieving net zero greenhouse gas emissions in our operations by 2035. At Thousand Oaks, we invested in a solar photovoltaic system that will supply more than 30% of the plant's on-site electricity needs.
We at the Thousand Oaks site are proud to be part of Takeda's global manufacturing network and to provide better health for people and a brighter future for the world.